Zero Blizzard's Battle.net app is making the jump to mobile devices. Though most Blizzard fans are already deeply familiar with the Battle.net desktop app, the company wants to ensure that your friends list and your window into what those friends are playing is never out of reach. Notably, this app is launching on mobile devices just in time for next month's Destiny 2 PC launch. Obviously, you won't be able to use the app to launch games on your phone, which is the main purpose of the Battle.net app on desktops. On mobile devices, you'll be limited to viewing your friends list and chatting with those friends, but even that limited functionality offers some benefits to the Blizzard faithful. Battle.net, for the uninitiated, not only shows the games that your friends are playing, but it shows what they're doing in those games. In World of Warcraft, for instance, you'll see which zones your friends are in, while in Heroes of the Storm, you'll see if your friends are in a match, or if they're waiting at the hero select screen. By using the Battle.net mobile app, Blizzard points out, you can keep an eye on what your friends are doing, so you know the perfect time to jump in. You'll also be able to receive whispers and view your conversations with friends, regardless of what they may be doing in-game. Essentially, the Battle.net app allows you to go off and do other things while you're waiting for friends to log on or get to a place in-game where you can join up. As an interesting little bonus, you can use the Battle.net app to generate a QR code that allows people you meet in the real world to easily add you on the service. The app is available today on iOS and Android, though Blizzard cautions that it may not be available in all regions just yet. If you're not seeing the app pop up on your store, be it the iOS App Store download or the Google Play Store download, it should be available soon.